And it's going to be the Brumbies women kicking off to the Drua, who are desperate for a good start. Enyi. They're right over the top of that one.
No clear release. No
clear release on that occasion from Andy Vitalonga. They take it quickly, the Brumbies, and she's only a centimetre short to Enyi. It's there for the ACT. Getting very close to the line, still short. Real pressure on the Fijian Drua Women's defensive line now. Now they might try and spin it a little wider. Oni got it out to Dawa! And she is over.
Great work from Dawa. She's finished off a few tries this year, but it was building nicely for the Brumbies. They captured the Drua defence in nice and tight.
They're leading by 5 points to nil. Advantages being played, and it hits the referee, and here's, well, it's a gift, 3 points if they want it.
Leave.
No, they take it quickly.
Chat about the general number of penalties. She hasn't made an active effort to get back 10, so it's a yellow card.
Yellow card.
There's a mark here.
So the ACT Brumbies. And into touch it goes.
On the setup for that box kick, they can't block, they've got to give access, okay? Yeah. So
the referee says that will do us
really close
for the first half. And then Dawa finishing out wide. It's been a good first half for players in the Brumbies as we see the second half underway. Lamani out to the club captain, Vika Aparungu. A lot of experience. And she gives them the go forward. And a good offload there from Nangasau to Ofakimalino. So they're building up here. Nani Mawala can't find a way through. And now the former Sevens captain offloading Nangasau, finds support. And this is looking promising for the Drua Women. Can they finally finish something off here? Just a couple of metres out. And Nangasau.
Ball's available.
Slow coming out of there. Nangasau. Desperate defence from the Brumbies. And it's on the line, and it's over at long last. They finally get it down. So something for them to smile about, although it's taking a little while to smile. 5-all.
That's a perfect start for the Drua in the second half.
18 errors in the match in very tough conditions. So the Brumbies try the set move, and Tuinaka Vondre is taken. How long can this Drua defence survive this onslaught as Sabaluel goes to ground? Still there for the Brumbies.
No, let it go. Take a
He's got to come back.
Well done.
Enyi. Managed to repel the onslaught there. To the short side they go. And Dawa did well to hold on to that one. She had plenty of defenders around her. Fua goes to ground. And now there's the captain. Oh, and she just manages to hold on over the line. Sia Kapesi Palu, after all that possession, they're able to hit back. It's a try to the captain. Played for Australia at the Global Youth Sevens. And the conversion is good. It's over. And so it's 7-12 at the moment. Brumbies in front by 5. Brumbies from holding. And now the penalty.
Yeah. 7, late hit.
Well, yellow card. The second yellow card for the Fijian Drua. It's Nunia Danamawala. So Lamani, will she go blind? To the right. It's a good scrum.
Yeah, clear opportunity.
Just kicking it away, and now here's the counter ruck, and it's going to come back. Bit of a rumble from Marawa. Free kick taken quickly. On the money, Anita chipping over the top. They need the bounce, and they get it as well. It is the Fijian Drua running away and scoring the try as Vitalina Naikore. Shades of what she did in the first up win over the Waratahs. On that occasion, she scored in the first 10 seconds of the match, and now she's had to wait for the 63rd minute. Natala Molaka, Wallaroo. She made a debut as an 18-year-old, 2023, and this one will come around nicely. The flags go up in La Toca, and the Brumbies are up again, 15 points to 14. Can the Brumbies hold on? Will the Drua finish it off this time? Matarungu goes to ground. It pops out. Penalty. Wow. Wow.
Oh, I thought they were going to go for the shot.
No, it's Naikore. She wants to win it with a try. It was possibly there for the taking, the penalty. Pick and go here inside the final minute. No way through there. Brumbies' defence has been very good in this situation throughout the match. One metre out, the Drua. We've seen them scoring tries out wide on many occasions. Held up, they're short. So they'll get another crack at it, or do they go wide? They're happy to rumble. The ball is available. Half a metre out. And they're over!
On the bell!
The 17 has got it. Salaniita Nambuli, replacement front rower. She could see the chalk. She got over it and somehow got it down, to the delight of this crowd. So Luisa Tosolo, who probably could have won it off the kicking tee if they had have gone for it, but no, they backed themselves, so they come up with the 5-pointer. And Tosolo raises the flags. Well, disappointment for the Brumbies women. You can see them in the huddle in the in goal. They dominated territory. They dominated possession.